All right, so I figured it was time to probably go ahead and give you guys a better tour than the last one. This is the new shop. We got parking, the main entrance, the upstairs, obviously, employee entries. This is actually the bay is going to go into our parts room right now, and this is going to be probably a lube bay over here, combined with the transmission shop and stuff is going to be on this section too. But we'll get into that once we come over here to the side. I want to show you something while we're over here. This is pretty awesome. So I bought my wife a new car, and then I proceeded to borrow the new car, and then yeah, so I did that. Not bad. Fun. Anyway, so let's get back into the shop here and I'll show you guys around. Hey, puppy. All right. So let's check out the office. You want to come with me? So walk into the office. I kind of gave you guys a little bit of a look at this before. We have our main entry area here. Let's roll some B shots. Or not, I don't know, we'll see. But, so we've got a nice office area. We got, one office area here. We got our main desk. We got another little cubby here in the background. Don't you be snooping on those papers. Back here. So this is all going to get set up as our front entryway. Let's see, we got closet here. I'm going to make you dizzy. All right, and then we walk out into the parts room. So this is going to be exciting. We got a big parts room, which is nice. So that is all of our, part of our parts room. That's going to be our main inventory area. As you can see, it's quite a mess right now. So that's okay though. And then we've got our main shop here. Let me go over to the corner so we can kind of give a better overview of what I think the plan is. We'll have to get Robert on here to talk about more. Oh, this is important. This is a good one. Bathroom. I'm going to block Wi-Fi so that you can't sit in there on Facebook all day. Maybe I won't do that. Anyway, so we're going to have two posts here with flats next to each one. So each of the techs that work on this side, they're going to have a flat and a two post. Same thing on the other end of the shop over there. As you can see, we've got two posts right here, and then we've got one of them put up in the back. Another one's going up in the back of the shop over there. And then in the center of the shop, we're going to have two more right here. So we'll come in the side doors. This is where the trucks were parked, and you'll be able to come in at an angle into the lifts over there. Same thing on this side, come into these lifts or straight back, and there'll be room to do flat work right here. You can see you've got some engines and transmissions and things out. So that's basically, it's all just going to be the techs area. In the other side, so the area I said is going to be like a lube bay probably in the transmission shop. This is getting turned into Robert's transmission shop over here. So we've got like a 40 by 100 area. That was the main door that I was talking about outside. That'll probably we'll put a 4-post in right there eventually, and that's going to be just a quick in and out lube bay. And then the transmission shop, as you can see, Robert's got all of his transmission stuff kind of getting put together out here. This will be the transmission shop. And then on the other end, past the trans shop, this is going to be the, I forgot to turn the lights on, sorry. This is going to be the dyno room. So the dyno is actually going to sit right here, and you're going to come in, back up the door right there into into the dyno. We may actually put the dyno in the ground and take it off the trailer. I don't totally know what the plan is for that yet. So we'll just need to fill in this dock and get it kind of leveled out so we can just pull right into it. But that's gonna be exciting. So we've got room for at least, what is that gonna be? 8 techs plus the trans shop plus the lube bay. Yeah, then I'll show you upstairs. This is my baby, the server room. Actually, the bathroom is getting repurposed into a server room. So as you can see, it's kind of under construction. Got a lot more work to do. The guys have been killing it. I haven't had anything to do with most of this. I've been trying to get the networking stuff up and then keep the day-to-day going. There's this strange little cubby right there. It's so weird. There's like, I don't know what it's there for. But. All right, so I kind of told you this. It's super echoey up here. Got a break room, kitchen. This overlooks the shop. And then this is going to be like my like our sales guy's office and my office and the studio. So I'm actually going to be working on setting up a recording area in here just for podcasts and for our videos, because we got a lot of technical videos that we're going to be putting together and actually putting some time into it. So probably on this side, when you come in the door, we'll have the offices, like some desks or whatever right here, so we can handle like our normal sales stuff. I mean, a lot of that kind of happens remote anyway. And this whole wall, I should say this half of the office is probably going to be just studios. I'm actually looking for like paneling, sound paneling, and getting all that set up so we can just like sit down and record, because it makes it a lot easier than trying to make it all difficult. And then this is not quite done yet, but got our servers and file server and databases, all that stuff set up. So that's going. Yeah, that's about the gist of it. So, I gotta get out of here, it's so echoey. But with this, as part of the reason why I haven't posted videos or podcasts here in a while, we've been trying to plan and move, and it is quite a lot of work. So we're getting there though, and I'm excited, and it'll be nice to get moved in here officially, and we'll have the swag display. We got a lot more to do. Yeah. Everywhere I'm looking, I'm just seeing more stuff that needs to be done. Man, I need to clean that up too. Anyway, I appreciate you guys' patience, and we'll keep working on this and keep you updated. And soon, probably starting not next week, the week after, once a week we'll be posting videos, like technical videos on the YouTube, and also get back to doing our podcast every week. And with that, we're looking at doing a kind of like a news, like a 10 or 15 minute, probably daily like news segment, just like quick run through whatever the news is for in automotive or in diesel that week. And I think that would be pretty cool too. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. Throw it in the description, shoot us an email, whatever. It's stuff like that is actually a big undertaking. It's a lot of commitment, and I want to do it, but not if it's not worth it. So let me know what you think about that idea. Let me know what you think about this cool shop that we're moving into, and we'll come back at you soon.